Delphi has expanded the Delphi Academy, adding 4,500 square feet of workshop and classrooms to train technicians face-to-face on the latest vehicle technologies, and some of the older ones as well. There's also a dedicated YouTube studio for the company to use for its Masters in Motion series or for its partners in whatever guise they need it. Let's have a look inside the new building. The new building doubles the size of the Delphi Academy and adds a number of new elements, including interactive classrooms, an open plan workshop area, a 16-seat conference room and breakout area, YouTube studio, and 15 vehicles for technicians to train on. When it comes to electric vehicles, Tesla is one of the most recognisable brands in the UK. But getting one into a garage can sometimes make the technicians feel a bit uneasy. That's where the Delphi Academy comes in with this training model here in the workshop itself. Now, Delphi runs the Tesla service and maintenance course. That's not looking after electric motors as such, but more the ancillary pieces, changing the wipers, the brakes, and so on and so forth. The things that you would be doing on an everyday car in a workshop. And having this physical model here for technicians to come, see, view, and train on really gives them an advantage to then take those skills back to the garage. Now, if you subscribe to the Auto Repair Focus YouTube channel, you will know that I love a bit of green screen, but I also love digital video content as a whole, and that can be done here at the new Delphi Academy. They have created this studio environment, which is available for them to put together their Masters in Motoring series, but also for their partners to be able to film any videos that they need to. Now, digital content is a big game changer in the aftermarket today, from training videos through to explainers, through to things like you're watching now with this walk around. They really, really do resonate with a new audience. Technicians, business owners are increasingly turning to digital channels to find out more about the industry.
So we've had the training centre here now for the last 6 years, and what we found back in 2022 was actually that we outgrew our original facility, and part of the reason was the sheer number of courses that we were doing, but also because of the nature of some of the things we were doing in the academy, like filming and assessments. It meant we couldn't run any other training simultaneously, so actually we looked to double the size of the training academy and offer all of the EV, hydrogen, ADAS and alternative fueling training courses on this side. So we've got over 30 face-to-face courses that we offer at the training centre here in Warwick. That ranges anything from fitting wheels and tyres to fitting brake pads and discs, steering suspension, all the way through to advanced oscilloscope work, vehicle electrics and systems, hydrogen training, EV training, everything you could possibly want, from starting in the automotive industry all the way through to becoming a master's technician.